Hello friends, in this Blender tutorial I will teach you how to make realistic colorful tree in Blender just doing simple things. This is a very easy method for beginners to create a beautiful tree. After watching this Blender tutorial you will able to create by yourself. So let's start the tutorial. Select the cube and go to edit mode. Now deselect one vertex by pressing Ctrl and mouse left button and delete all selected vertices. Okay. Now select this and press Shift S selection to cursor. Now go to on modifier properties, add modifier and choose skin modifier. Now go again on modifier and choose subdivision surface modifier and give level up to 2. Okay. Now we will create tree. Before creating tree, please turn on this toggle X-ray so you can see transparent. Okay. Now do like this how I am doing. This is a very easy method to create tree trunk. Okay. Okay, now we have created simple tree model. Now choose the all last vertices and scale down it by pressing Ctrl A. Now go on object data properties and create vertex group by clicking on plus icon and assign it. Okay, we will use this later. Now we will create leaf here, so go and add and choose the plane. Drag it on x-axis here so we can perfectly model this into leaf. So press the tab and go to edit mode. Now scale this in x-axis and choose this edge selection. Now we will add two loop cut here, so press Ctrl R and rotate mouse wheel button single time. Okay, and scale this edge on y-axis. Now select this and grab it on x-axis. Do the same thing here. Okay, now choose this and extrude it on x-axis. Okay, now press Ctrl R and add a loop cut again and drag it on z-axis. Okay, like this, and select all by pressing A and go to the modifier properties, add modifier and choose subdivision surface modifier and tap the press, come to object mode and give level up to 2 and apply this. Okay, now here we can see yellow dot. This is a pivot point. We will set this pivot point here. So press the tab and go to edit mode. Now drag it into x-axis like this and set it here. Okay. Now select the tree and turn off this toggle X-ray. Go to the particle properties, click on plus icon and click on hair. After clicking here you can find a single hair particle here, so don't worry, we will do it more perfect. Okay, turn on advanced, go to the source, choose the vertex. Okay, now go on vertex group and choose the vertex group which we are created in starting of the tutorial. Okay, now go to the modifier properties and drag this particle tab to up side. Okay, now what we will do, go to the again on particle properties and go to render, choose the object and pick the eyedropper and click on leaf. Okay, now you can see leaf here. Now we will make it more better. Okay, so go on rotation and orientation, choose the global Z and randomize it like this. Okay, now we have created bunch of leaves here. You can do it like this, you can randomize it. Okay, and also you can increase the hair length and you can also increase the hair number and decrease the hair number by doing this. Okay, now we are created tree and now we will add a material in this tree and leaf. Okay, before adding material please choose the plane object here so it look more better. Okay, now choose this leaf, go to the material setting and split this screen. Go on editor type, choose the shader editor, press the N and hide extra things. Now click on new. You will find here material output and principal BSDF. Go on add and search object info, choose it here and again go on add search color ramp. Connect this random to factor and connect this color to base color. Now you can see different material here. Click on this and give it to green. Okay, now click on this and you can add which you like more better material. Okay, I am adding this red material. Okay, now increase the metallic value and decrease the roughness value. Okay, select the tree and go to material properties. Just use a simple material here. Go to the render viewport. Now you can see HDRI which I downloaded from Polyhuman. You can download it from Polyhuman and simply you can use this by going on world properties and here color and image texture. Okay, you can render this in EV and cycle both. In cycle it will give better result. Okay, if you add here grass and rock, this will look more fantastic. Okay, if you like this tutorial, please like my video and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next tutorial.